the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and cross-border infiltration remains a serious concern, and I have reiterated our concerns to Mr. Kasuri. Significantly, the ceasefire has held since November 25, 2003, and both sides are committed to continuing it. The first round of the composite dialogue has been concluded successfully. The schedule of meetings agreed to in February 2004 was maintained, and the outcome of the dialogue process is positive. We have arrived at several agreements that would take the process forward.
I am glad to know, as the External Affairs Minister has pointed out, well, yes, when His Excellency the Foreign Minister visited Islamabad, we had agreed. This is absolutely correct. I spoke of the human rights situation in Jammu and Kashmir, and I suggested to him, as I would like to suggest to the entire international community, that regardless of the words that we use and the gloss that we put, we are all aware of what has been the cause of perpetual tension between our two countries and what has caused 3 wars between us and a near war in 2002. And that was the issue of Jammu and Kashmir. So I emphasized to His Excellency the Foreign Minister the centrality of the issue of Jammu and Kashmir. And I told him that we were not unifocal, that it is not that Pakistan is only interested in just discussing Jammu and Kashmir. No.
As early as possible, so that it will be more convenient for
our areas where Pakistan and India can cooperate, and the result. You mentioned the dispute over Jammu and Kashmir. Well, yes, these are complex problems, but they are not intractable. I do not believe that they are intractable. Given the political will, they can be resolved and they should be resolved. And that is a major guarantee for durable peace in South Asia.
How come, despite the announcement that was made 2 months ago,
many areas progress has been made, and we want to emphasize that in Jammu and Kashmir we've had elections, and there is an elected government in Jammu and Kashmir. There's a chief minister there, there are members of parliament elected, the assembly elected. Nevertheless, we are discussing the Jammu and Kashmir issue frankly and in candor, and we're expecting each other's views on this. This will not hold up progress in all other areas. As the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, my friend, His Excellency Kasuri Sahab, has said so, that this process will continue.
Sky is the limit once these two countries start cooperating. In the past, we've seen that there have been areas where, we've reached pretty good level of relationship. And then we've seen things when they've deteriorated to the extent of wars. So it's a matter of common sense, pure logic, that in order to ensure that there'll be durable peace in South Asia, this issue will also be resolved, hopefully sooner rather than later.